Black team up 2 points. It's a bucket. It's all right. Everybody touch that. Walk back forward.
John, guarded by Wolf. Stephen for 2. number 7, that's your first.
Sub.
2 shots.
Ooh, clean. Oh, where's the touchline? Ate, ang malapit na.
Foul number 4, that's your first personal foul, 17 foul. Nito. That ball. Josh. Drive. That's good. Six-10, black team up by 4. Mito. Justin, back to Walsh to you. Pass the ball. Out of bounds. Stephen. Fade away. Good. You guys. That's the day. Block shot by Stephen. Here comes Mike. Block foul. Mito, that's your first. Thirteen foul. Nick, Nick. Nick, one more time. Time out.
That's what we do is 10 minutes. Urgency. You guys got 3 timeouts.
You, floater. No good. Stephen with a rebound. Jake for 3. Bang! Assisted by Mr. Mike. Benito, Hale, swing back to you. Started by Aldrin. Aldrin, oh! Behind the back. Out of bounds. Nice cut. Nice cut. Speed by DJ. J.O. for 3. Bang. Mike drives. Mike short. Ooh, there you go. Unison. To DJ, to Jeff. Good pass by DJ. 13-15, black team. Now by 2. John. Mike, right by Ayo. Jeff. You, back to Jeff for 3. 16-15. Easy Smoke now up by 1.
Come on, Eric. Eric, that's you.
John, started by DJ. John, oh, Mike corner 3. So good. Vic with the big board. Vic.
Let's go, Eric.
Back to Mike.
Come on, Eric. Come on.
Mike.
Get up, BC, get up. Jeff, get up.
Logs in.
Let's go.
Logs in. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, no. Short.
Let's go, boy.
Biko.
Oh yeah.
Good move.
And one
Biko. Yes, sir. We got 7 minutes. 30 seconds.
Let's go. Let's go.
Field by Jeff. Unison. Mike.
Slow down.
And got it back. Oh, by you, Jeff for 3. Back. Jeff. Clutch 3 shots. And 7 minutes. Josh, pull up, 3. No good. Stephen, big boy. Walk. Philip. Fade away. Down. Now foul, number 2. Hey yo, that's your first 14 foul. Blue team.
Let's go 94. Hey, hit me up today.
I will.
Just hit me up today. Yeah, later. Yeah, hey.
You got foul. 94. All right, 94. The first. That's your second personal foul, number 94.
Hey, what's 90?
5 minutes left in the first half. Nick, Rayo, Bobby, Walk. Nick could not happen. Seven. August. For 3. No good. Got foul. Number 9. Aldrin, that's your first 13 foul block. Nick, shot, good. Philip. Big for 3, too strong. Bobby. 17. Easy smoke. 8. Aldrin. Reverse layup is good. Justin to Wolf for 3. To Stephen. Fadeaway shot. No.
He has to make one. He has to make those.
Vic drive. No. Well done.
Good, Bob. Finish it on the baseline.
1 minute. Whoa, another 3. John to Stephen. 13. That's the 16th foul, Blue. Seconds. Seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. About 10. 14 pounds. Oh, one shot. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What was the call, ref? Big ball, big ball. Next one, Bobby. Stay right here.
Next one.
They were assessing the thing after I connected. They were still assessing it.
Last 6. On the ground. Vito. Vito floater. That's it. Philip. 33. Number 6. That's your first. Second team foul. Nick for 3. So good. Unison for 3. No.
Oh yeah!
It's standing by Bobby. Bobby to Nick. Nick fade away. No. Josh
Get the backboard!
with the rebound. Josh is pushing. Josh for 3. No.
Hey, wait! No, Nick, no.
Nick. Fourth rebound.
There we go. Let's work. Swing it, swing it.
Nick spin move. Don't pass to Vito.
I got you. I got you.
Mike to John for 3. Yes, sir. 34-28. Easy Sports roll up. Nick for 3. No. DJ. That's good.
Come around.
Working the glass. Here comes Mike. Mike. Yes, sir. Vito. Dump pass back to Bobby for 3. Out of bounds. Let's go, you. 36-30. Mike. Okay. Stupid for 3, too strong. Wolves, third rebound. Vito, drive, no good. Number 11, over the back. Third team foul. Got 14 minutes left. 36-30. Easy smoke, up by 6. John, 4-3, bang! 2 for 2. Quito, mid-range shot. Good. Stephen for three, bang. It's now 36-38. Easy Smoke now up by 2. Justin to walk. Walk. No. Walk. To Nick. Wow. Who we got?
Hold on.
Number 7. Josh, that's your second. That's just the first team foul.
Okay. When he makes it, you go in, okay?
You got shooter.
Yeah.
Walk for 3, no good. Oh, same team. Jeff with the rebound. Good shot. Justin full up 3, no. There you go, Mike. Mike to Josh for 3, no. Back rebound, Josh again for another 3, no. John with the rebound. John, big time for 40-38.
You got 3 timeouts.
John with the rebound. John's pushing to Josh.
Timeout! They're the ref. How we holding him?
Timeout.
The energy, man. Straight up.
Stephen for 3. Oh, in and out. DJ's second rebound. Nito. To walk back to Dustin. Walk to Unison for 3. No, miss everything. Mike, John, Aldrin. Oh. Justin, DJ, Finito, fake. Wow. Josh, that's your third. Second team foul. Mike, step back, 3. No, Vic with the rebound. Vic now. Vic, tie the game for you. 8 minutes left. Tie game. Justin. To Nick. To Shakir. Vic. Turnover. John, step back, put away. Tie game again. 7 minutes. Nick, got a drive. Andre with the defense. Walk for 3. No, Nick with the rebound. Nick, Aldrin. They're now up by 2 points. (44-42). Black team up now too. They playing defense. Vito, they foul them. Foul by Vic. That's your first.
That's a good foul. No, easy bucket. Two.
Wait, we're down?
Yeah. What's up? Just back up a little bit there. So I don't know if you guys are subbing in. Alright.
Let's go, y'all. Let's go, y'all. Let's go.
John. Oh. Shadir. 5 minutes. Big. Vito. Bye Big. Vito. Pull up. Oh. John. Damn. Run that. Yeah, run that. Oh no. Shit. Big. No. Whoa, no. Yeah, it's playoff basketball now. Oh, Stephen. Back to Stephen. Stephen. ISO. Back to Big. 4-3. No good. Big with the rebound. Justin. Now by Mike. To Vito. Justin. That's good. That's Justin.
No. Sorry, bro.
Dustin's first 2 shots. First bucket, 1 shot. That was a big bucket. Stephen for 3, tie the game. Wow. Oh, step on the line. Stepped on the line. Tie game, 3 minutes. Fill it. Oh, last shot. Vito. Oh, timeout. Timeout. Black.
Hey,
Stephen. The Wolf. Oh. Blocking foul. That's the 14th foul.
4. You guys got 4 fouls. You got 2 fouls more to give.
Two minutes. Shot clock, 20 seconds on. 15 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Whoa! What a shot. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Hey, it's 34.
Go ahead. No, not yet. That's fifth.
Walter, watch team.
You got 5 seconds. 5 seconds.
Jeffrey, beat.
You got 5 seconds to shoot.
You a grown-ass man.
4, 3. What? Yep. Yep. 3 shots.
Yeah, he was all over him. He was all over him, bro.
Stop right there. Let him pull it. Just stay there.
Even if he hit the arm, but your body's on him, it's a foul. You subbing in? No sub, no sub.
Time out.
Hey guys, hold the ball.
Hold your bayans. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Oh, man. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Blue 34, lose ball 5. Time out. 15 seconds. 18 seconds. 14 seconds.
9, 8.
Time out, Blue. Time out. No more timeout. 53, 52. Black team up by 1. My count. 7, 6, 5, 4,